Good afternoon, everyone. Greetings from Subang Jaya, and I would like to wish everybody a happy new year. This is the last day of 2025. So, in this video, I would like to share with you guys about head protection. I am, in particular, a big fan of open face helmet. So, for the purpose of safety and also head protection, I chose the brand Shoei from Japan. So with me here, I have my first open face helmet from Shoei. This is the Shoei RJ Platinum R. I bought this last year from a dealer in Amazon in the US and had it shipped over to my door. So the turnaround time is about a week, and the helmet arrived. No issues at all, only for me to find out later that it's almost next to impossible buying a helmet from overseas due to the certification and the safety homologation issues. Surprisingly, I wore this Shoei open face helmet without much issue. So the RJ Platinum R itself, to be precise, it's something that is not entirely new. It came out more than 12 years ago, and it's one of those most endearing helmets ever made, and is still being sold in the United States. Europe have already discontinued the RJ Platinum R, and their current lineup for Shoei Europe is the Shoei JO JO. So JO2 is a follow-up to the most successful open face helmet by Shoei called the JO. But in Japan, it's called JO Plus. Okay, so JO2 and JO Plus are slightly different, but that I will share with you guys on another video. So the RJ Platinum, as you can see here in the video, is open face. There's no slide down visor, but they give you a peak here that you can attach onto the button slots here on the front of the helmet. The helmet itself has proper ventilation. There's two air intake here, and at the rear of the helmet, there's the vent for the airflow for air to go through. So when you're riding in our tropical weather, this is very perfect. As a matter of fact, I did a fitting much earlier. I went to Weli Shah Alam, went to visit guys who sold a Shoei helmet, but nothing there kept fancy my taste and all that. But the people there were nice enough to give me a fitting. So for my fitting, the size is L size. So when I bought this, direct from the US, I don't have any issues fitting it. And to attach the helmet, to fasten the helmet onto your chin, the chin strap comes with this D loop, double D loop. It has a small little tab here for you to undo the loop. So once you loop the helmet, there's a place for you to snap onto there's a snap button here to secure the strap. As far as fitting is concerned, no complaints. Very snug fit, very comfortable for long distance rides and all that. And the RJ Platinum Plus is rated for the US Department of Transport. It has a dot rating here, and also is snail approved. So as far as safety standard, this is one of the highest standard you can get on open face helmet. So I got mine in matte black. I'm a very big fan of matte black products and all that. So later I did obtain the Shoei JO Plus from Japan. I will share with you guys in another video. As far as the RJ Platinum Plus, it's going around 499 US dollars retail in the US. So you factor the shipping cost and all that, you know, nowadays, plus the exchange rate, that's close to almost more than 2 grand. But there's no price for your, you know, your head protection. You know, 2 grand, I mean, is a little sum to us. And as far as the looks of the helmet is concerned, quite happening, you know. Everything here is not only aesthetically pleasing, you know, the fit finish and also the safety that the helmet provides is simply worth every dollar and cent paid. So yeah, there you have it, man. This is the Shoei RJ Platinum R helmet.